Bang. First nice day of the week. And guess what I got to do? Nothing. There's nothing else I can do to this car for free. So I just cut that off, and I want to wait to cut that off till I get the tubular front end built. Because, mosquito! Because I don't want it to just be sitting there dangling for a while. But I've done basically everything for free. Got the Chicago Electric Harbor Freight welder. You know how it goes. I've already cleaned the interior. I've already cleaned some of the car. There was a big dent up here because I sanded it. And I painted it with gray paint because I don't have green paint. I put clear coat over it, but nothing else I can do. Garage is already nice and organized. My car is already good. Car is already clean. The only thing I can do is get rid of all this oil goop. But I've tried that. Spray foam cleaner. Don't work very well. But I guess literally nothing to do. It's a good day, but I'm broke. I can't do anything with 17 bucks. So whenever I get paid, we'll get it. Oh, yuck. Oh, wait. There's no abrasions on the glass, which is kind of nice. Feels fine. Except for right there where that paint is. But other than that, nothing else to do. Clean, check. Drives, I guess. I don't know. Looking good, though. Looking real good. Another nice day to work on the car. But guess what? I still ain't got paid. I don't got work. And they don't pay me till April, and then I'll get paid, and then I'll get the front end done. Got the doors open still, trying to air out some of the humidity, even though it's humid. Curbot's still parked over here, just chilling. And what sucks now is wasps are coming out, so ain't been doing much. Just really just been waiting. I've did everything free I could do, so I'm hoping to get my tubular piping and everything soon. Damn. Another nice day, but I still ain't got paid, so I can't do anything. Got a bunch of trash over there. Got the cherry picker that needs a jack, turns out. But probably won't end up needing the cherry picker or the stand over there, old trash bucket. But another nice day, just jamming in here and literally doing nothing because I got no money. Progress getting made. Been out here for about 3 hours, but we got the gold control arm off and the tie rod off. I had to cut it because it was so badly broken. I had to end up cutting it right there. And then I'll end up getting a tie rod puller from AutoZone for the day. We'll end up just pulling this bastard off. It's already knocked back from the pins. It's ready to go. I need to get new end links. I was going to take the whole sway bar off and replace it, but this whole sway bar is actually good. So I got like halfway through taking it off, and I'm like, you know what, this thing's actually still pretty good. So I just got the strut holding it up for now. But new control arm, hopefully. And then new sway bar end links. New inner and outer tie rod. Oh my god, it's windy! Ah! It's been windy all day. But here's the damage. As you notice, straight, and then a complete L. That thing is toasted toast. I won't end up doing the other side. I don't know if I'm supposed to take this off and reuse it, but I can't get it off. I tried bashing it with a hammer a little bit, but I don't want to smash out the fucking threads. So I was trying to be pretty gentle with it, but I don't know how to get it off. I know it goes to the bottom of the hub, but I don't know if I'll buy new ones. Same with the bushings. I'll probably end up having to buy new bushings while I'm here, because, I mean, I might as well just buy new everything while I'm at it. Still got plans for the front end to get done. I'm going to try renting a pipe bender instead of buying one for save an extra $100-something. Good news, Dr. Zoidberg. This tire actually holds air, but as you can see by the bubbling by the valve stem of that bubbling, it's obviously the broken valve stem, but that means this tire is still good, ish. I'm bored, so I'm wiping it down. I'm trying to clean all the gunk off with a wire brush and some cleaner. So far, I mean, hopefully it'll turn out pretty good. Not too shabby for some soapy water and a wire brush. I forgot I had a soft interior brush that I should have used instead, so I ended up like scratching all of the inside with a wire brush on accident, but you know, whatever. Between you and me, guys, this has got to be one of the most ghetto garage setups ever. I got a cable ran from here all the way to the house. Just an extension cord that comes out of the house to another extension cord, which runs all the way here to the garage into a surge protector, which has my radio on it, into another extension cord, which goes to a light that's right over there, into another extension cord, which wasn't long enough, so I put another extension cord, all zip tied by the way. This is all held up with zip ties and a few screws to another light. And I'm hoping these lights will be enough to light up the entire garage at night so I can work at night. They're 4,000 lumens. The spot lamp that I did have was 9,000 lumens, but somebody needed up to borrow it, so I went and got some of these. I'm hoping at night I'll be able to see. I'm going to get piping. I don't know when, eventually, sometime. And then I'm going to get the piping done. Main hoop, lower hoop, radiator, control arm, inner tie rod, and sway bar links. And then we'll be gassed, but man, pretty sweet. Kinda ghetto, though, with a bunch of zip ties and an extension. There's 1 extension cord, 2 extension cords, 3 extension cords, 4, 5 extension cords for this one light right here. Yeah. Not ghetto at all. Heck yeah, now we can finally get some progress done on that car. I managed to go get metal piping. It's taken forever to find any because of the stupid coronavirus. And I ordered these parts probably about, like, I don't know, 5 days ago from eBay. These should be parts for the Outback. Kind of interested to see which one's in here. The control arm. We got a new control arm. I'm waiting for the sway bar end links and the inner and outer tie rod. Then we'll do the inner and outer tie rod. But while we're waiting on those, we'll install this. And actually we can't because we need the hub thing, which is coming with the tie rod kit. After that, I mean, we can get that part and that part on. It'll just sit there and hang. But we got to get the frame built. Went and got metal. Got some sheet metal too for whatever else I need. I need to build a battery mount, ABS mount. I'm going to build the top hoop first, and I'm using square metal instead of round tube like I originally wanted because it's easier and I don't have to get a pipe bender. So we'll just cut a few diagonals in it, mold it, and go on from there. Dang, bro. Got the lower control arm on, but I need to make a new bracket for it right there to like up here-ish because this one was bent inward some. So I couldn't get it on and keep that side on at the same time. So I got a piece of some thick metal I was going to remake it out of, and you can see my little shitty cut line because I don't have anything. But look at this. Look at that. My blade's crooked. Damn. That sucks. Look how crooked that shit is. Wow. I can't believe it. These things are fucking tough, bro, but fuck. I guess cutting that control arm mount right there was a little too much for this little blade to handle. I guess I'm gonna have to get the angle grinder out. Not perfect, but it'll hold up a control arm. Going pretty good so far, but trying to cut with all just one solid cut. You can kind of see it's not perfect. Ain't really a good idea because it got really hot. You can see a little bit right there on the edge. It's kind of hard to focus because it's so thin. But it kind of got that purpling on it. It started to get hot. Hot, and then I got a big burr up there. I don't really have anything I can cut it off with, but sprayed it down with some water. It's cool now, but trying to do it all in one cut, especially with this, like, Lennox blade, man, diamond tip, it gets hot fast. It's still hot in my hand, and I already sprayed it off to cool it off, but got the Arm Pro on because I was getting hot sparks everywhere, and, I mean, it's going great. I just need to make up my 2x2 square sections for the tube to mount to the body to, because this is 2 inches, so I just need another 2-inch piece, 2 inch by 2 inch, and then another one, or I might use something thinner, because this guy will focus, it's a little bit on the thick side, as you can kind of tell. I got some assortment of metal over here. I got a whole bunch of test welds and stuff like that. I got some thinner stuff. Might use something. This is a tiny bit thinner than what I'm using. This guy's thinner than what I'm using. I don't know. I might cut these welds off and use one of these. These look pretty good. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. It's the 11:40 at night, and I haven't really gotten anything done. I know it's because of this stupid fucking coronavirus going around. Everybody's all sick and fucking scared shitless, so finding parts have been impossible. eBay coming up clutch. Amazon's like, oh, it'll take till May to get here. It's like, I don't got till May. I mean, I do, but I'm impatient. Finding this metal took like a full week. I only got the square tubing, but I got a place to get metal now, finally. I just need to get the mounting bracket for the control arm made. I'm going to do that when my tie rod and in-bar links get in here, so then I can hopefully get it on correctly. But other than that, I haven't really gotten anything done on the car. Just everything's been closed. Everybody's scared. And as someone who's extremely high risk, I have asthma extremely bad. Don't let it fucking make you scared, bro. It is what you make it. And I mean, my mom works as a respiratory therapist, and she ain't even scared of it. So, I mean, I think everybody's kind of overreacting about this because people have stuff to do. I still have to get this thing titled, and I can't because the license office is closed till April 27th. So, I'm working on a car that I own, but I don't have a title to, and just finding parts, finding people willing to ship these things. I mean, shout out to fucking FedEx from eBay coming in clutch with the control arm. Hopefully the tie rods will be here before the 10th. But I got all the metal set out over there. Got my welder out. And everything's ready to go. It's just finding this shit's been hard. So that's why there hasn't been a video in a while. I was trying to do every other week, every other day. But I just can't. A bunch of glass fell out of this car whenever I got it. Whenever I was cutting it, a bunch of glass kept falling out of it. That's it for now. I just haven't gotten jack shit done. I got my metal cut out, and that's it. That's all I can say. But hopefully I get the battery done. I get the hoop done. The radiator mount done. I need to go to a junkyard, but everywhere is closed, so getting stuff done's been hard.